Hello, Emily here from Homemade Emily Jane, and I am very excited to announce today the release of the Bonanza Quilt Pattern. The Bonanza Quilt Pattern is the brand new quilt pattern in my pattern shop, and I am really excited to share it with you. I have been working on this quilt pattern over the last few months, and it's finally ready for you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. The Bonanza Quilt Pattern is a fun, modern take on a traditional triangle block, but this is not your average half square triangle. The triangles in this quilt pattern are triangle and a square quilt blocks, which are a lot of fun to make and pretty easy too once you know the basics of quilting. I consider the Bonanza Quilt Pattern to be intermediate level, so it's perfect if you've mastered a couple simple quilt blocks and you're ready for your next challenge. The Bonanza Quilt Pattern includes templates to cut out the shapes for the triangles, but of course you can also use rulers or even an AccuQuilt fabric cutting machine to make your quilt. I'll share more details on that in a bit. First, let me tell you, the Bonanza Quilt Pattern includes 3 sizes: crib size, throw size, and bed size. And here's a little secret. The crib size is a pretty generous crib size. It's 48 inches by 52 inches, which makes a really good lap quilt as well. Whenever I design a quilt pattern, one of my main goals is that you will be able to make it successfully. So for the Bonanza Quilt Pattern, I've actually created 2 video tutorials to help you make the triangle and a square quilt blocks. And I walk you through exactly how to make these quilt blocks in 2 different tutorials. The first one, linked right here, is to make the triangle and a square blocks using rulers or the templates that come in the pattern. The second video, linked here, is how to make triangle and a square blocks using AccuQuilt. So be sure to check out both of those tutorials, and I'll put links in the description below where you can find more information about them over on my blog. As I mentioned, the pattern does include templates, but if you're interested in getting some acrylic quilting rulers to cut out these shapes, be sure to check out the description below where I've linked the triangle and a square rulers that I have offered from my shop, and then also some that I found on Amazon as well. Other than the rulers, I would like to recommend a couple useful sewing tools that might come in handy while making this quilt pattern. First off is Best Press. I like to use Best Press on nearly every quilt that I make. It is a spray starch alternative that just provides a little extra support to your fabrics and keeps them from stretching, which is especially important when you're sewing on the bias like we are on these triangle blocks. Additionally, I really love using my AccuQuilt fabric cutting machine to cut out pieces for this quilt and for many others. If you've never heard of AccuQuilt before and you want to learn more, check out my Everything You Need to Know About AccuQuilt article, and that will help get you started and kind of figure out if AccuQuilt is right for you. It's a die cutting fabric machine that is pretty much magic for cutting out accurate pieces in no time. Next up, I would love to share with you the fabric requirements for making your own Bonanza quilt pattern. As I mentioned earlier, this quilt pattern includes 3 different sizes, and you can check out the fabric requirements for all 3 right here. You'll see we have 6 main colors as well as background fabric, but something I really would love to do is to make a 2-color quilt. So that's on my list of things that I hope to do in the near future, where I use the background fabric as 1 color and then I combine colors 1 through 6 and use 1 fabric for all of them. I think it would be a really fun way to make a modern geometric quilt. If you want to play around with some color options before you commit to specific fabrics, I would love to invite you to download the free coloring sheet for the Bonanza pattern. I have coloring sheets up for all of my quilt patterns up for free on my website, and I will put a link in the description below for you. The Bonanza coloring sheet is really fun to download and then take a screenshot, and then I personally upload that screenshot into an app called Recolor on my phone, and I use the Recolor app to digitally recolor some mock-ups and just play around for fun and figure out what color scheme I want to go with and where to place different colors. You can check out some mock-ups I've already made. I think it would be really fun to use a dark contrasting background for this one and just really play around a little bit. So be sure to download the coloring sheet and have some fun on your own as well. Out of all these mock-ups I've made, I'd love to hear which one is your personal favorite. Go ahead and leave a comment to let me know. While planning for the Bonanza quilt pattern, I made 2 sample quilts myself, and I would love to share them with you. The first one is the one you see behind me, this pink and orange throw size Bonanza quilt. It's so large I can't even include the whole thing in my camera screen for you, but I do have some pictures to share. I've decided to name this quilt the Strawberry Sunrise Bonanza quilt because it uses some really fun shades of pink and orange, and I feel like it gives it that little glow, that sunrise glow. The background fabric is pale pink, which is not something I normally do. So if you wanted to venture out into a non-white background, this is a really good option for you. I have kits so that you could make a quilt just like this one. So if you want to grab a quilt kit, I have them over in my shop for you. The quilt kit includes all of the fabric you need to make the quilt top, as well as the binding fabric and a paper copy of the Bonanza quilt pattern. The other sample quilt I made is this crib size rainbow quilt. This crib size Bonanza quilt is made using all Riley Blake confetti cotton solids, and you'll see they're a really fun arrangement of these kind of muted rainbow colors. It's inspired by rainbow babies. So if you're not familiar with the term rainbow baby, a rainbow baby is a healthy baby that is born after the loss, such as a miscarriage or stillbirth or infant loss. And that rainbow baby is a symbol of hope of the future that is to come. So I made this particular quilt as a gift for a personal friend of mine for when they have their rainbow baby someday soon, hopefully, after she has experienced a few losses already. So as you can tell, this rainbow baby quilt is very near to my heart, and I hope it might inspire you as well to make a quilt to gift to someone in your life. If you want to make a quilt just like this one, it's a crib size rainbow Bonanza quilt. I do have kits available for this one in my shop as well. It includes fabric for the quilt top, and then you choose your color binding out of the options on the front. So I chose the sky blue for this one. And then it will also include the Bonanza quilt pattern as a paper booklet. So definitely check that out if this is something that's interesting to you. I'd love to share with you a couple more pictures of this rainbow baby quilt. I made this quilt using my AccuQuilt fabric cutting machine, and it came together really quickly and easily, and of course is a lot of fun to make. Once I finished piecing this quilt, I decided to quilt it myself using a straight line quilting method that echoed the angles of the triangle, and I thought that was a very simple but still fun way to quilt this baby quilt. I used Shannon Fabrics Cuddle as the backing on this quilt, which makes it just so soft and cozy. It's one of my favorite fabrics to use for baby quilt backings. So now that I've covered a little bit about the Bonanza pattern and the quilt kits that are available to you, I'd love to share with you some of my testers versions. I would not be able to make such a fantastic quilt pattern without the help of a team of people that check my math for me and make sample quilts to make sure that this pattern is ready for you to make it with success. So let me show you some of the quilts my testers have made. First off, this is a gorgeous fall quilt made by Charlene of Sweet Gardenia Quilt Co. Charlene made this beautiful fall inspired Bonanza quilt and took it out to this most beautiful setting to take a picture of her quilt, and I love the idea of taking quilts with you on adventures just to get that perfect shot. What do you think? This next one was made by Belle from Seams Sew Me. Belle is a new tester for me, and she is actually starting her own quilt company as well, so be sure to go check her out. I'll put a link to her Instagram in the description below so you can go send her some love. She made a crib size quilt but is actually going to use it as a lap quilt. I'd love to show you this brightly colored crib size quilt made by Laura. Laura has been one of my testers for a very long time, and she always brings the most fun fabrics to her work. So I really love how she used this little gray muted background and let these neon colors really pop. And finally, let me show you the quilt that Rebecca made. Rebecca actually shopped her stash for this quilt using all blue and green solids, and I think it turned out wonderfully. I personally really love this quilt, whether you're using solids and prints, and you can see it works out both ways. I hope you love seeing some of these versions that my pattern testers have made, and also the sample quilts that I made as well. If you want to learn more about the Bonanza quilt pattern, you can actually find more details about it on my website, homemadeemilyjane.com, and you can purchase it directly from my shop there as well. For more quilting tips, tricks, and inspiration, be sure to follow me here on YouTube. Happy sewing!